In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Substack private. This is really useful if you want more control over who sees your writing, or if you'd like to share posts only with people who have actually subscribed to your newsletter. We'll walk through the process step by step, directly inside your Substack account, and by the end you'll know exactly where the setting is and what it changes. First, go ahead and log into your Substack account in your browser. Use the same email and password you normally use. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main workspace. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. This is your main navigation panel in Substack. In that left panel, look for the option labeled Dashboard and click it. The dashboard is where Substack gathers all the important information about your publication, including your posts, subscribers, and settings. We need to start here so we can access the right controls for privacy. Once you're in the dashboard, keep your attention on that same left-hand menu. You should see an option called Settings. Go ahead and click Settings. This will open a page with a lot of different configuration options for your publication, such as basic information, design, and more advanced features. Now, on the settings page, scroll down until you find a section labeled Privacy. This might be a little lower on the page, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Take your time and scroll slowly so you don't miss it. Inside the privacy section, you'll see an option called Private Mode. To the right of Private Mode, there's a small toggle switch. This toggle controls whether your Substack is public or private. To make your Substack private, click the toggle so that it switches on. As soon as you enable Private Mode, a pop-up will appear at the top of the screen. This message explains that turning on Private Mode will hide your posts from non-subscribers. In other words, only people who are subscribed to your publication will be able to see your content. Read the message to make sure this is what you want, and if you're sure, click OK to confirm. Once you do that, your Substack is now private, and your post will only be visible to subscribers.